Where to invest $10,000 right now. Hey guys, today we'll know where to invest $10,000 right now. Let's get right into it. Have you recently discovered that you have $10,000 burning a hole in your pocket? While this may not appear to be a life-changing sum of money, if invested properly over time, it has the potential to grow into a very nice nest egg. Let's talk about the best ways to invest $10,000, whether it comes from a windfall, an inheritance, or a winning lottery ticket. Number 1. Open an IRA. Increasing your retirement savings is an excellent use of $10,000. Consider opening and funding an individual retirement account or IRA if you don't already have one. If your employer does not offer a 401k, an IRA is your best option. It's also a great option if you want more investment options than your workplace retirement plan provides. The best IRA accounts allow you to choose from a wide range of asset classes, giving you greater flexibility. A Roth IRA is another option to consider. Traditional IRA contributions provide an immediate tax deduction, whereas Roth IRA contributions provide tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Furthermore, you have greater flexibility in making withdrawals before reaching retirement age. You can contribute up to $6,000 per year to an IRA in 2022, or $7,000 if you are 50 or older. Contributing the maximum amount allows you to stay on track to meet your retirement goals, while also potentially leaving you with a few $1,000s to invest in some of the ideas. Number 2. Invest in mutual funds and ETFs. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, make it easier to invest, and the best funds charge low fees. These pooled investment vehicles own portfolios of stocks or bonds and seek to achieve specific objectives, investing in a specific market sector, generating cash flow, tracking the price of a commodity such as gold, or emulating the performance of a market index such as the S&P 500 are all examples. Ordinary investors can purchase shares in any number of funds. When you invest, the management team of each fund is in charge of keeping the portfolio on track. Funds charge an annual expense ratio, which is expressed as a percentage of your total investment, in exchange for this convenience. Mutual funds and ETFs can be purchased through a brokerage account or an IRA. Vanguard is widely regarded as a market leader in both types of funds. For more information, see our list of the best Vanguard ETFs and best Vanguard mutual funds. Number 3. Build a stock portfolio. Individual stock purchases are riskier than mutual funds and ETFs. However, for self-directed investors willing to learn about public companies and conduct research, this could be a great way to invest $10,000. Remember the importance of diversification as you consider your options and research stocks. Simply put, don't put all your eggs in one basket. No matter how much you like a particular stock or company, you should never buy $10,000 in a single stock. Instead, construct an equity portfolio out of a variety of individual stocks, preferably ones that have complementary risks. For example, if you invest in an oil company, which should do well if oil prices rise, you should also buy airline stock, which should do well if oil prices fall. Number 4. Invest in bonds. Bonds could be a good investment for $10,000 if you want to generate income. When you buy bonds, you are effectively lending money to a company or the government. You agree to hold the bond for a set period of time, after which the bond issuer will return your money. In the meantime, the issuer pays you interest at a fixed rate on a regular basis. Remember that it is possible to lose money when investing in bonds. If you want to sell your bond before the end of its term, you may be able to find a buyer in the secondary market, but depending on market conditions, you may have to accept a lower price than you paid. Furthermore, if the bond issuer runs into financial difficulties, they may miss payments or even fail to return your principal investment. Bonds with higher interest rates, known as junk bonds, are riskier. There is always a trade-off between higher risks and higher rewards in any investment. Bonds can be purchased through most stock brokerage platforms. Number 5. Buy real estate with REITs. In today's hot real estate market, $10,000 will not get you very far in terms of purchasing property. However, there are several ways to invest in real estate. Consider real estate investment trusts, REITs, which are a type of publicly traded company that can provide exposure to a wide range of property types. Although some REITs own a variety of different types of property, most focus on one type of real estate, such as commercial or residential real estate. Companies that qualify as REITs must distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders, making REITs a good way to generate income. REITs, like regular stocks, are extremely liquid. This makes it simple to cash out your investment and transfer your funds elsewhere. In contrast, selling physical real estate is a time-consuming and costly process. Number 6. Prepare for healthcare costs with a health savings account. A health savings account, also known as a HSA, allows you to save and invest for future healthcare costs. Remember, a HSA can only be opened and funded if you have a high-deductible healthcare plan. In 2022, you can contribute up to $3,650 to a HSA. In exchange, you will receive 3 valuable tax breaks. To begin, you can deduct your contributions from your taxable income. Once you have money in your account, you can invest it in various mutual funds and exchange-traded funds or ETFs based on your HSA provider. Second, you postpone paying income taxes on your gains as long as they remain in the account. Third, when you spend money on healthcare, you can withdraw it tax-free from a HSA. That's all for today, and we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.